Good morning, everyone. My name is Samantha Mishra Shukla, and I welcome you all to Fun with Maths. Today, we are going to discuss about the number system. A number system defines a set of values used to represent a quantity. We know that we use numbers for counting anything, like counting the number of people in a room, counting the number of toys you have, counting number of sweets in your pocket, and we also use numbers for measuring a quantity, like measuring the length of a line or measuring the distance between two things. So numbers can be used in various ways. And number system is of two types, the Indian number system and the international number system. In the Indian number system, we use terms as crores, lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, and ones. And in the international number system, we use the terms as millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, and ones. Now here we have to write the given numbers in Indian number system form. So let's make a chart of the Indian number system. For that, we have to write lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. Now we have to place this number in this number system chart. So 3 will come under lakhs, 2 will come under 10,000, 4 will come under 1,000. Similarly, 5, 6, and 7. So this number will be read as 3,24,567. Similarly, for the international number system, we can draw the chart as million, 100,000, 10,000, thousand, hundred, 10, and 1. We also have 10 million and 100 million. So if we have to write the second number in the Indian international number system, then we can write it as 1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7. So it will be read as 13,445,657. So we can write any number in these two number systems by using the number system charts. Once again, the Indian number system contains lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, and ones, and the international number system charts contains 100 million, 10 million, million, 100,000, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. Now, in the next slide, we can see the number system charts. Like in this one, we have the Indian number system chart where we have crores, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, 10, and 1. And in the international number system, we have 100 million, million, and 10 million and million. These all come under millions. We have 100,000, 10,000, and 1,000, which comes under thousands. And we have ones, which contains hundreds, tens, and ones. So using these two charts, we can place any given set of numbers in any in either Indian number system or in international number system. Now we have for this face value and place value. Face value of a digit is that digit itself. Like we have a set of numbers, like we have here 986. So if we have to define the face value of the digit 8, then the face value of the digit 8 will be 8. The face value of digit 9 will be 9, and the face value of digit 6 will be 6. Now, for defining the place value of the digit, we have to know the position of that digit, because the place value of a digit in a number is defined by the position of that digit in that number. Like in the first number, we have 986. So the position of 9 comes under hundreds place. So the place value of 9 will be 900. In this number 47,865, the place of 7 comes under thousands place. So the place value of 7 will be 7,000. 4 comes under 10,000 place. So the place value of 4 will be 40,000. Similarly, we can define the place value for any of the digits in the number. Now, we know that the smallest number is 0 and the biggest number is 9. We know the numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and 9. So 0 is the smallest number and 9 is the largest number. So in any given number, we know that the one containing all the zeros will be the smallest number and the one containing all the nines will be the largest number. Like if we have to write the smallest two-digit number, then it will be 10. And the largest two-digit number will be 99. Similarly, the smallest three-digit number will be 100 and the largest three-digit number will be 999. Similarly, we can write the smallest and the largest number for any number of digits. Like for a 5-digit number, the smallest will be 10,000 and the largest will be 99,999. Now we have a worksheet over here. Let's solve some problems. In the first question, we have to write these numbers in the Indian number system. So once again, we can draw the Indian number system chart. We have lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. So the first number will come under 1, 0, 6, 7, 8. So this number will be read as 10,678. The second number can be written as 1, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7. So this number will be read as 1,45,987. It would be better for you if it would be better if you start writing the number from backwards, like in this manner. First, we write over here 8, 7, 6, 0, 1. So in this way, you will know where the first, where the last digit of the number will lie and where the first digit of the number will lie. We all know that the last digit will always come in the ones place. And the last digit could come anywhere in any place. Last digit will always be in zeros place and the second last will be in tens and so on. So similarly, we can write in the second question, we have to write the numbers in the international number system. So now we have to draw the international number system chart. We have million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. Writing number backwards, we have 7, 8, 9, 3, 2. This number will be read as 23,987. Writing the second number similar in the similar manner, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2. This number will be read as 234,456. So writing the numbers in backward will be much easier for you because we know that the last digit of a number will always come in the ones place. And the first number can lie anywhere. So it will be easier for you to define the number in any number system form. Now, in the third question, we have to write the face value of the digits in bold. We know that the face value of a digit is that digit itself. So the face value of 5 in the number 34,567 will be 5. Similarly, in the second problem also, the face value of 5 will be 5. In the fourth question, we have to write the place value of 6 in the given numbers. Now, in the first number, 786, the 6 is the last digit of the number. So we know that the last digit means it's in the ones place. So the place value of 6 will be 6. Now, in the second number will be written, we can use the number system chart to determine the place of the digit 6. We have lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. So we have 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, and 6. So 6 comes under lakhs place. So its place value will be 6 into 1 lakh. Lakh has 5 zeros. So it will be 6 lakh. Similarly, using the number system chart, we can define the place value of any digit in a number. Now, how do we know that this number 6,78,963 was in the Indian number system? We can see that here the commas are marked after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then after 1. So we have hundreds over here, and we have lakhs over thousands over here. We have 10,000, and then comes the lakhs. In the international number system, we saw that the numbers were written, the commas were placed like this after every 3 digits. So this becomes 100,000, this becomes 10,000, this becomes 4,000. So seeing the commas will help you determine whether the number is in the Indian number system or is it in international number system. So now let's recap what we have learned today. We have learned today that the number system is of 2 types, Indian number system and the international number system. In the Indian number system, we have crores, 10 lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, and ones. And in the international number system, we have 100 million, 100 million, 10 million, 100,000, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. And we also know that the face value of a digit is that digit itself. And the place value of the digit is defined by the position of that digit in the number. So for determining the place value of the digit, we have to use the number system chart. And by looking at the position of the commas, we can determine whether it is written in the Indian number system or whether it is written in the international number system. In the Indian number system, the commas are placed after in the Indian number system, we have 100,000 and 1,000, then comes the hundreds, tens, and ones. So the comma will be after hundreds, and then it will be after 10,000. And similarly, after 10 lakh, etc. And in the international number system, we have commas after every 3 digit. Like we will have a comma after hundreds, then we will have a comma after 100,000, and we will have a comma after 100 million, and so on. And we know that the smallest digit in a number is 0, and the largest digit in a number is 9. So smallest two-digit number will be 10, and largest two-digit number will be 99. Similarly, the smallest 10-digit number will be 10,000, and the largest 10-digit number will be largest 5-digit number will be 99,990. So that's it for today, and happy learning.